Hello friends, this is Darshita, health coach at Truweight Wellness. A lot of our clients actually have a traveling job or traveling is part of their job. Either it could be national travel, international travel or field work. To an extent, all of them manage to stay fit. Are you also the one who is a frequent traveler and struggling to stay fit? Then this video is certainly going to excite you. Today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips that you can take away to stay fit while you're traveling. So the first one is remain active. These days we know that the flight layovers are taking longer or the flights are delayed because of one or more reason. You can pass this time by taking a low-key stroll walk close to your gate terminal so that you don't miss the flight. Get up at least 20 minutes ahead of the time while you are staying in a hotel. This 20 minutes you can utilize by exercising in your hotel room if there is enough space, or you can go to the nearest park or if there is a park in the hotel premises. Second is hydration. So it's very important that you keep your body hydrated. When you are traveling to different geographical zones, maybe it could be time zones. Like for example, if you're traveling towards equator, there are high chances that there will be a lot of heat which will affect your body. So it's very essential that you have 3 liters of water to prevent dehydration. Tip number 3 will be eating light. Ensure you eat light so that you don't feel nauseatic or have bloating issues while you're traveling. And this will also help you to prevent jet lag. Eating light will also help you to keep your check on portion size, which is the easiest route to stay fit. Fourth is food choices. When you're traveling, it's very important that you would want to have local food and try out local cuisine. I would certainly advise you to go ahead for it. Only one tip for this will be keeping an eye on portion size. You can also stock yourself up with a lot of snacks like healthy protein bars or maybe Truweight superfoods like chana joe, tea talks, apple cinnamon bar, etc. Or you could also prefer on-the-go groceries like fruits, carrots, which can act as a mid-meal snack to you. Another advice that I'll give you is have a big healthy breakfast so that it can keep you going. Never ever miss your breakfast. Do not overeat while you're on traveling. The last 5th tip is self-monitoring. Note down and record your food intake in the form of your log so that you are well aware of what you're eating. Don't be harsh on yourself. All you have to do is opt for healthy choices. If you're following our weight loss program, I would advise you to talk to your coach and discuss your travel plan. Will be the best person to support you with a meal plan that will work for you. I hope this video helps you to stay fit while you're traveling. If you have any further queries, you can write down in the comment section. Please share this video. Thank you.